Okay, hi dolls, welcome to my channel Millennial Susie Homemaker. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you ladies a makeup tutorial and product review on the new LA Colors Brow Gel, which looks just like this, and it's in the color Deep Brown. Also purchased the dual-ended brush just to test out how it works alongside the brow gel. So it looks like it's going to be a pomade texture. Usually whenever I would use these, I would set it with an eyeshadow to matte it out. But this time I'm just going to use it on its own and see how it works. And for my brasileiras and latinas, hola princesas y muñecas, bienvenidas a mi canal Millennial Susie Homemaker. En este video les voy a demostrar cómo yo hago mis cejas con el nuevo Brow Cream Gel from LA Colors. Y estos dos productos también se pueden encontrar en la tienda de Dollar, donde aquí en los Estados Unidos se llama el Dollar Tree, donde todo es $1. So here's how the pomade looks like when you take it out of the packaging. Looks very similar to ones that you would find in high-end stores or high-end versions. So that's it in every angle. Okay, when you take it out, it has a seal on it, which is good. Double sealed, actually, even better. And let's see what it looks like. Okay, it says it has 3.5 grams of product in it. I already really like it. It has like a jelly consistency to it. It's it looks like a chocolatey color. So let's see how it performs. Okay. And also this is what the brush looks like outside of, and it has a little spoolie. Okay. So I tried to just apply a little bit, but I see that this gathers the product very well. So a little bit goes a long way, just like a little dab into it. See? Just got a little tiny bit on my brush. So far, I really like how this pomade has been working on my brows. It's very soft. The color is very soft. A little bit goes a long way. And now I'm just going to go ahead and define my brow shape with the Broadway Colors Contour Artist Cream. And if you've watched my previous videos, then you know I'm not huge on contouring. I'm more of a soft bronzer girl. But I do like to use these for color correcting, and this creamy beige color, I use it as a highlight for my brows. So I'm going to go ahead and do that next. Alright dolls, and that concludes this brow tutorial and product review on the LA Colors brow cream gel and brow tool. I really like how this brow cream gel performs. The consistency is of a nice gel texture. A little bit goes a long way. I've tried higher end brow gels, pomades before, and this performs exactly the same. And as a matter of fact, I feel it performs even better in my opinion. I like that even though it's in deep brown, when I applied it, and I did grab mistakenly a generous amount, so I kind of just tapped it off back in the pot, but it was still of a like nice soft color, and it wasn't like very waxy. It was more of like a matte finish. So I don't see myself having to set it with an eyeshadow. I like using it on its own, and I highly recommend it. And it's only $1, so performs very well.